harder than doing.
What's going on, guys? So today I'm at Columbus High School and I got invited to one of their meets. But before I even begin about anything, bruh, dude, stop taking pictures.
What? I'm a photographer now.
My favorite Gen M3 that's ever come out, and this thing is just super clean. People sleep on this gen. Like, if you play Need for Speed, you would understand. But I've always loved this generation of car, dude. Oh my god, I don't know. You can't catch it so much on camera, but even the drilled rotors, these wheels, top choice. They look so good. And of course, we brought my beater today too. So of course we have the Z, some random Miata, and then Felipe's turd over there. I'm gonna hit it with a giant montage of all the cars that are here. Yeah, just waiting for it to pack out. Look what you were. I already showed you. I'm not gonna show the camera yet. You know what caught my attention the first time we got here? Well, got here. Look at this, bro. LS swap.
Got nothing nice to say.
LS swap S2000. This thing will just park you, bro. But LS swap S2000. Big wang gang, wide body. Dude, super nice. Custom tail lights, custom piping in the rear. Super nice, bro. It's super fast. So I am kind of mean. Dude, look at the carbon fiber door flex. It's dope. Fat, meaty tires, bro.
Roger,
everything.
You gotta do this to your car, bro.
Yeah, Roger, if you don't do this to your S2000, I'm gonna be disappointed in you, bro. Look at the hardtop, everything. It flows so smooth. This looks beautiful, bro. Not gonna lie, you know the Z caught my heart immediately, bro. Dude, I love these Z's. I actually wanted to buy one so long ago, but the guy was asking for too much. Found one of the old homies that was in another video, Alexis, and let's see. Let's go say what's up. All right, you guys know this is dude soft spot right here, man. Oh, what have you done? What's in this?
He's got an L28 with an E31, high compression, Coilovers. Old school technology.
So you're keeping it as OEM as possible?
Correct.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you don't want to cut this up. It's worth too much money.
Yeah. Right. Wait, how long did you import this?
Like 7 years.
Oh man.
I have 3 of them.
Oh, okay. Just lend one to me. It's all good. I love these cars so much, man. I wanted one, but I didn't. I just realized last minute this one was right-hand drive, and I was like, oh, so sick, dude. To run back to the car because it's raining, and Felipe is just doing nothing but revving his car right now. Like, he's been waiting for this moment the whole time. And John, no one cares about your stupid IS. White cousin ears, baby, that's an American V8 right there, I tell you what. What, you don't like the sound of Felipe's car? That's a good, genuine American V8, baby, I'll tell you that. Woo! Yeah, get him, boy! I would rev my car, but you would hear absolutely nothing. Oh. Get out of here.
Kick me out, bro.
Get out of here. That's what you get. That's why you see I got a V8.
Started it, though. He started it.
That's why you gotta go, baby. Hey, Felipe, the door's that way. Bye. So they kicked out Felipe for revving. They kicked him out, but it is what it is. They kicked out Felipe. I'm happy. That was great. I'm glad. See, I'm glad that I can't even rev. It doesn't even matter. My car's so silent, you won't even hear it.
I'm waiting for you to two-step it.
I can't. I don't have my exhaust anymore.
Oh, that's right.
Oh, everybody's out. Oh, man. Hey, all the V8s, get out. They should just throw yours out for being a bucket.
Shut your ass up. Jonathan, stop. Get out. That was the same one.
Oh, look. Oh, they're kicking out everybody. Dude, everybody who was revving, not just the V8s, you're all getting it, but damn, that sucks.
Damn.
I'm not gonna lie, I actually like those kids too with the Beamers.
They're pretty cool.
That was pretty sick. Wait, you guys shot your Instagram for the vlog, bro.
Evan Perez 45.
Is this your car though?
No, it's his.
They're not following the rules. They're out of the show. Goodbye.
Okay.
400?
You know you need to do for your IS. What?
Here we go.
What? You know you need
Here
to
we
do
go.
for your IS?
Get a new car.
No, you don't need to get a new car. Just junk that one.
You.
Wow, hey, bro, you're gonna get me demonetized, bro.
Alright, screw you there.
Bro, I had to run to go close my hood. I was like, oh crap.
I'm so close to you.
Yeah, you parked so damn close to me, man. Bro, I'm 6'6". You think I'm gonna get out of the car when it's that? Now bro, it was closer than that. I don't want to lie on the vlog.
What do you mean? Look, it's dry. It's dry right where all this.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Oh, you know what? Let's show where this jerk decided to park. Bruh, I am 6'6". How the hell am I gonna fit in that, bro?
Why'd you get a small ass car?
I will buy this car soon, very, very soon. This is the next move after the swap, but I need to get a Viper for sure. They're just so perfect. So sickest car of the whole meet, in my opinion, is this swap. What do you have?
It's a stock Honda. This is how they made them from factory.
Yeah, stock, right?
Completely stock.
So you were telling me it has an LS6 motor.
Yeah.
What is an LS6?
It's a Chevy LS6. It's a Corvette motor, basically married to a T56 Camaro transmission and a Ford 8.8 differential to be able to put the power to the ground.
And how much power are you putting down right now?
High 500s. It hasn't been dynoed yet, so yeah, it should be making that.
Dude, with this chassis, how light it is, bro. Oh.
It's sketchy.
It's sketchy, really?
Sketchy. Yeah, it's really sketchy.
But what tires are you running? Because you look like you hook and
Well,
book.
the back ones are Toro 888. The front ones, don't even look at those. Those are just for those are the shop tires. Yeah.
Okay.
They're gonna get upgraded. The car's definitely gonna be hitting Autoettes hopefully in the next 2-3 months.
Jeez, bro. Yeah, what a build. Because as soon as I saw you rolling, I was like, oh, that's sick, bro.
Get love and hate with the car. I mean, a lot of people like keeping the stock F20 motor in it. I used to have an S2, a red one, with the F20 on ITBs, and they're great, they're amazing, but not until you drive an LS swap S2 and criticize it. Yeah.
Nah, bro, forget the purist, bro. This is way worth it. Like, it's tough. This is nice. So wait, how far is this? It's sitting pretty behind the axle, right?
Yeah.
Pretty far. What kit is it?
Custom made by Cat Customs.
Oh yeah. Let me go shout them out. So this is the shop that worked on your car entirely?
Completely. They did the motor, they did the tranny, they managed to get it in there. A lot of kits that they sell for the cars, they weld up the mounts to the chassis. This is actually sitting on the stock Camaro motor mounts, so the car doesn't shake as much when you're idling.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because solid motor mounts are no joke, bro.
Yeah, solid motor mounts are great, bro.
And you're full race car in the interior. Do you mind opening it for me? Dude, wow. Yeah, you're fully caged. Wow, dude. How do you fit in here, bro?
Nicely, man. Go ahead and sit down.
Bro, someone has to film this. I'm 6'6". All right, let me warm up.
I think if you go ahead first.
All right, should I? I'm about to dive in.
One leg is a Shelby Cobra.
Oh my God.
Why do you always go for the smallest cars? Why do you go and try to sit in the
Bro, look at my knees, bro. Dude, oh wait, I'm gonna struggle to get out of here so bad.
This is gonna be funny.
This is the best part.
Oh my God.
Ray, don't get an S2000.
Can you do it?
Yeah, it's huge.
Getting in.
Okay. I'm good. Dude, that's a workout.
I can imagine, man. You're a big guy.
Oh my god. But dude, what a clean car. Thank you, man. What's your name?
Hey, Javi.
And what's your Instagram?
_ Javi Alfonso.
Perfect. I'll make sure to put it here. You guys make sure you follow him on Instagram. This is tight, bro. I'm sorry, hold on. Pause. We kind of missed some features. Like, I talked about the motor with you and the interior, but what about the exhaust? What exhaust is this?
Oh,
that's all custom, right?
That's all custom, yeah. Custom titanium from front all over to the back.
All titanium?
Yeah.
Dang, bro. Yeah, because look at the stands too, everything.
Wait, hold on. Let's get it and show it.
Exhaust clip? Hey, you don't have to tell me twice. Oh, man.
Yeah, they're full on LED.
That's sick. You always have to have flex points, bro. Of course. That's so sick. And the tips too, all titanium. Let's mount your wing on my Z.
Let's do it. I'll turn it on.
Oh, you're gonna? Oh, okay. And that's the smell. Is that 93 or is that E85?
No, it's 93.
93, yeah.
E85 when it goes boost.
Because right off rip, I was like, man, it smells like 93. If you're making 500 on 93, bro, if you ever get to E85, it's over. All right, now make sure you guys follow him on Instagram. This is tight, bro. This is probably one of the sickest cars I've seen here. Oh my God! No one cares about your IS, John. I'm kidding. You know what? Let's talk about it. What are you gonna do?
No.
What are you gonna do?
No, screw you.
I feel bad now.
No,
Come on, do it. Come on, bro. Please.
Every single day.
Not every day. Every other day.
every
In a group chat, maybe.
Exactly.
But bro, all right, talk about your car.
You might want to look around.
Oh, okay. Never mind. I'm not talking about your car. look what popped up, man. It's pretty sick. I would miss the exhaust note. I would.
Right? Me too.
I think I kicked out Felipe right when a Ford GT pops up. Good job.
Did Felipe just go home?
No, he's waiting.
Oh, really?
It's starting to rain again, but as you guys can see, it's actually getting pretty packed, and unfortunately, it would get packed right when it's just Florida, bro. You gotta love Florida. But I just want to say thank you guys for inviting me out. Columbus High School, thank you. That was so sick. Hey, look who it is, bro. What's going on, bro? What's up? What's up, dude? When are you gonna trade bumpers with me finally? Ooh, or just give me the whole kit. I'll trade the whole kit right now, bro.
It's raining again.
It's raining. You know why? Because your sad IS is here. I was like, okay, run, John, go, go, get it. She's on it. Hey, you too.
Why?
Get out, just because your car's ugly. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, look at that. Dude, look how beautiful. Look at, I'm on a sculpture. Oh, look at it. This is gorgeous. Just a nice car. This is what inspired the Viper, so of course I love it. But of course, I'm gonna leave it at that. Thank you guys. Thank you for inviting me. Like I said before, make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel. It's pretty sick. So favorite car here, what is it?
Oh, that's a hard one. Probably the S2000.
You know what's my favorite car here?
The Viper.
Your IS300.
Oh.
Go close out the video. You gotta give a kiss.
Huh? No,
Come on, give a kiss, bro.
Nah, get out of here.
Give a kiss. Come on, bro.
I'm not giving a kiss.
It's